ACER E-Lathe with Newall E70 constant surface speed DRO. Advantages of Newall CSS. Optimal surface cutting speeds leads to improved tool life and less scrap. Provides finer surface finish. Permits use of high performance ceramic tooling. Programmable RPM function to get accurate spindle RPM. Same as CNC lathe to reach high finish application. Operation demo. 1. Constant surface speed mode. Input surface speed 150 feet per minute. Next, input max RPM 1500 RPM. Next, input diameter of part 4 inches. Two, programmable RPM. Input 1234 RPM. Three, standard DRO feature. Standard DRO features. Constant surface speed. Provides an output that can be applied to an AC inverter spindle drive. The system uses the scale feedback to automatically control the spindle RPM. This ensures a constant surface speed. .99 tool offsets. .199 memory positions. Digifind, absolute reference. Radius or diameter mode. Zero approach warning. Inch metric conversion. Automatic linear error compensation. Absolute incremental operation. Taper calculations. Axis preset, center find, and zero reset. The Sephiroth advantage. Newall linear encoders. IP67 rating. Completely sealed and fully submersible. impervious to coolant, dust, swarf, and virtually all shop conditions. No mechanical wear. Requires no cleaning or maintenance. Tolerant to shock, vibration, and magnetic interference. Resolutions to 50 millionth of an inch. No glass scale to break or scratch. Easy installation. All Newall DRO products come with a 3-year no-fault warranty, unmatched in our industry. Thousands of Newall DROs have been installed and are being used in some of the most severe machining environments, day in and day out. It's been proven to be the most reliable and durable digital readout available. Newall's E70 is the perfect fit for ACER's most popular e-lathe to run the CNC functions that conventional lathes cannot, such as constant surface speed and programmable RPM. We hope your next lathe will be ACER E-Lathe with Newall E70 constant surface speed.